Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Today, I just want to quickly talk about Monica. Monica, the big man wife. Monica, alias Shine Your Shine. I just have a little message for her. As you can see on the top of my video, it is written, Monica, she's an intelligent woman. So I'm going to be using broken so that the thing could be very clear. Few days ago, a lot of things begin happen for Facebook. Some people say Monica they hold debt of 30,000 euro. Say government say make she come pay 30,000. As people hear that thing, whether not true, whether not lie, now only Monica and the government know. The next thing when Monica do, she run come out, she put her account number there. She begin to dey ask, make una donate for me. You understand? She put her account number. They say help me oh, assist me oh. As una hear say government say make she pay 30,000, na true, make una assist me. You see how intelligent she is? She quickly run out, place her account number. Since many of us, we no want learn. We no want learn at all. We no want grow. Monica, she's a working class lady. She dey work no matter how many hours where she dey do a day. At least at the end of the month, she dey earn, if it not minimum 700 euros in a month as salary. You understand? Okay. I not be expert for analyzing something, but I will try my best. The person where she say na her best friend, according to as they talk am, some of her best friends go report her to Netherlands government, say wetin she tell them na lie. She dey deceive them to dey collect their money. Okay. Monica marry. She na married woman, sorry. She with her husband discuss so her situation be for that Netherlands. Make the man move to UK. Please, you can leave comments if you like. Leave your comments. You know, share if God touches your heart, okay? Normal. She discussed with her husband, say her situation of things be. The man say okay, he go move to UK according to as we take this thing for video, social media, and for our wall and all those stuff. Not be me talking. And waiting at the scene after they analyze them. So the guy move go UK. You know. So our small madam can't declare herself and the children single mother, no man, normally. a lot of people dey do am, you understand? If cooperation dey, a lot of people dey do am. So e come be agreement between her and her husband. The guy moved to UK. She declare herself single mother. That is Monica. Shine your shine. You know, she come dey collect all those single mothers benefits. Fine. Since the man agree, they collect am, the thing dey sweet both of them. She dey collect social media money, join her YouTube, gbogbo all those stuff. Good. She na businesswoman. I like her for that. Any which way she will take make money, she dey always put all her body. I give her hand. You know, she na gifted person. People like her. I like her too. I like everybody. Okay, she dey collect those money with agreement between she and her husband. That money dey sweet both of them. Collect social media, join her. Everything dey work out for her. She dey shine her shine. With the appeal as you dey see and say she dey okay. No, me I like to wish person congratulations well. Anything wey good, I dey always like am. If I see person dey progress, to write congratulations not dey difficult for me. So anytime wey I see say she dey shine her shine, I dey applaud am. I like am. Until her ex-best friend, some of her ex-best friend, consider this her shine wey she take dey deceive people. She need to, deal with am. So I don't know, she cry come out, she say they go report am. They go report am to Netherlands government, say she not be really that single mother. She dey deceive them. They come dey monitor her. As they monitor her, the first time she say they come, they say everything they go. She think say don't go like that. She no know say those ones they go underground, they really monitor her. You know, maybe she go tell government say her husband run, leave her. Now let she because for Europe here, they make everything easier for everybody. Especially when you be couple before you come become single with children. Europe government no they use that one play. So as she go declare herself single mother, government they help her. You understand? So as those one come here, they come they monitor to really know whether the man they come. And of which the man they dodge, they come, they dodge, they come out. Please, you can comment if you like. You just put your opinion there, God bless you. So the Netherlands government they watch as our God they dodge, they dodge come out. Of which our madam go tell them say the man run, leave her. You understand? Normally now, so our black foreigners they do. So they come discover say a part they come. No be as our sister tell explain that for them, not be so it be. Fine, they come say make she pay money. I don't know how much, but I hear say oh, not me oh. I hear say government say make she come pay all the money where she dey eat ever since. They come calculate am. As I hear, they come say the money na 30,000 euro. You understand? Say all the money where she dey eat ever since, where she go tell government say she na single mother, where she not be single mother. All those money where she dey chop ever since, where she can pay everything. You understand? Now our sister run come out. Help me oh, I want that oh. Make una assist me. You want to send na €1, you want to send na €2. Make una support oh, make una support oh. She dey cry. Fine. Government say make she dey pay 30,000. Make she come pay her that 30,000 euro. Okay. Make una remember say na Europe na we dey. Even though say government say make she pay 30,000 euro, e no mean say na that amount she go just drop as na dey donate for her. I like how anything wey you sabi do use am. As na dey put money for that account, dey put money make e reach 30,000. Now dey full una save. Those of una wey dey go drop money for that account, now dey full una save. Most of una wey dey donate that money now, una parents dey suffer for house. Una parents dey cry say help me, una no go help. money wey government dey pay na most of una be single mothers. Na don send una husband away, na don drive am, na dey collect money, na dey go put am for that account. And our parents dey suffer for Africa. Una brothers, una sisters dey ask una money, na no wan help am, na go dey drop money. Na wan help shine your shine. She dey use una. If government even say make she pay 30,000, e no mean say as una dey donate that money, she go carry all those money come go give government. Na too foolish, sha. No be like that e dey function. She declare herself single mother. Government dey pay am money before. Now wey dey come discover say her husband dey slink enter that house, you understand, wey she don first go tell dem say her husband run leave am. For instance, so I no talk say na like that happen. For instance, as I just dey try to understand, maybe she go there and they come discover say her husband dey come. They come see those children, they come cash am, they come say make she pay that money. Fine, she na single mother, they block that money. Maybe they pay am 1,200. Maybe they pay am 1,300. She get 3 children, or what? Maybe roughly 1,000 for instance, so her strength and all those stuff, benefit and all those stuff, and everything. Maybe 1,400. Maybe they come block am. Even though they block am now, when they discover say she dey cheat them. You understand? Say they talk and they go. Maybe as they block am, maybe they block am, they go must they pay those children. Now money, single mother money, now they block. Not be our children money, they pay our children. Now understand? Say they talk and they go. They still they pay our children. You understand? They still they assist us small for our strength. Now only our money now they block. Okay. Even though they say make she come pay that 30,000 euro, as she dey work, they go dey comot that money for inside her account. Maybe she'll tell them say na this amount now she'll fit dey pay every month. Maybe 100 euro, 70 euro, now they'll collect am small. They no force am say make she pay 30,000. Where she run go put her account number and Nigeria account number for Facebook, make una donate and pay 30,000. No use the fool and say because that money she go just gather those money. Even though it's na 10,000 she fit collect for her head. Some of una wey get blockhead. Na 10,000 she fit realize for that money. She send am go give her husband for UK. That one go use her buy house, come relocate Monica and her family go UK. And she go use that house. They share for na say see na foolishness to see wetin I use that do. As na no one get sense. Una no one get sense. Monica dey owe debt to who tell una say Monica dey owe debt, say she must pay that 30,000 immediately. Or they give her deadline say before 3 months she must bring that 30,000. No, na so free pay because she dey work. She dey work, she also fit dey pay am. If na 70 euro or 100, she also fit dey pay am there. As all of una dey run, if that one dey cry, make her dey come out every second. I dey remind una, when I dey put money there, when I put money, I dey owe 30,000. They go declare me. Monica na business woman, the best business woman on Facebook where they use social media. They chop money. Now Monica be. Now she be. So make una learn, make una wise at the supermarket. Make una wise up. The person wey really enjoy this social media, wey really know the meaning of social media, wey they use am accordingly, but not be the best. Now John Osagi and Monica, now they enjoy this social media because if you see una foolishness, you know how to use una. You know how to use una well. If una they say hey, she go run come out, use una chop money. Monica go use na so tey e go use na build mansion for Nigeria. If na no wan learn. If na no wan learn. Monica, she's a big businesswoman wey get sense. John Osage is a big businessman wey get sense. Na two of them now I see wey really dey use some of people wey dey foolish, wey no wan learn, wey no wan help us, our parents for Africa, wey dey waste money. You understand? As I tell dey talk and dey go so. The 30,000, if I talk say that kind thing happen, say make she come pay. No be pay immediately, na pay instrumentally, pay small. Now inside her money wey they pay children, so she even fit tell them say okay, since na social something, na government something, the money wey they give my children, when they use am, say they pay that money when I say me I pay. It dey happen like that, because it dey happen for this. Now all everywhere now for the happen. You understand? They catch you, say they cheat them. They catch you, they trick them. To say me can't refund that money. How you want to refund the money? The money where they pay your children, they go seize and put until that money complete. They don't force money can say come pay 30,000 immediately. You understand me? They don't force them. And secondly, I want to quickly talk about just small interference for relationship of Monica and Lolo. I want just interfere small. Lolo, I beg, I want to use this medium to beg you. Leave Monica alone and move on. And move on. One thing about forgiveness. The moment you forgive, heaven will forgive all your sins. If a person offends you and that person come out publicly say sorry, try forgive her. As you go forgive her, your doors go open. I know say Monica really hurt you. That is Lolo. You self, you hurt Monica and hurt each other. Fine. Move on. Forgive her. Because this information where government here, so according to Monica, she say na person wey dey close to her. Now you go report her. You understand? So Lolo, whether now you go report Monica or na person dey under, as in they will say na you, but na another person I go do one. Forgive her. Let everybody, let the world know say you forgive her. You move on. Anybody wey come they send Monica videos, they call your place, block that person. Yeah, waga ban will be a ban wawanaya le. You understand? If you really say you want to stay away from person, anything about that person, you not go care. Not go they use fake account. That is Lola. Now you I thought to not go they use fake account. They monitor Monica. They try to know how far she don't go. Who view, comment, who not comment, who view her, who not. You understand? Not they use fake account. They monitor Monica. May no carry hypertension. Because the more you they grow, if hatred for inside, the more a lot of things damage could they come. You understand? If they send you Monica video, delete and immediately block that person. Because if you say this person you don't want anything about that person, no involve. You yourself not go, they use fake account, they monitor Monica, they know how far Monica don't go. No, they put yourself in the place of I want to do competition. You understand? Competition is the make person fall down. Competition they make person go yeah. You understand? You're not supposed to go. So number one thing, forgive Monica, forgive yourself and move on. Block everything about Monica. Block every messengers. We go come they send you message for impulse, say see what Monica they do. Hey, come no watch. Anybody will send you Monica video, block that person. Move on. No, you too. No use fake account, go they monitor Monica. You understand? So that God blessing go enter your house, go enter your life, go enter your soul. You understand? Lolo. So now so I see am. For those of now where they go drop Monica, drop money for Monica bank account. as she place a Nigerian bank account for Facebook, say una dey drop money, dey drop €2, dey drop €1, na dey fool una sef. Because na brother, many of them are armed robber, because na not dey assist them. Many of them they do work, they do house girl, because na abandon them. Una mothers, una fathers, they go beg Osage, John Osage, because na neglect them. More na go dey assist una parents. More not dey put money for a drum wey don first full. If government dey drop Monica up and down, she cry come out, let her dey cry for there, because government they know wetin they dey do. They know dey keep person. They know do one the way be say go dey equilibrium for everybody. They not dey stress person. Europe government not dey stress person. If dem say make Monica come pay 30,000 because she cheat them, e no mean say Monica must pay that 30,000 in bulk. E no mean say Monica must pay 30,000 immediately. Na process. They fit block her right, they not go block her children. Never. Through her children, she fit tell them, say, okay, those money when they pay my children, since I dey work, money they use them for the gbese wey I owe. It dey happen. So man, they fool on herself, they cry up and down, say, hey, oh, they don't put Monica for problem, make we assist her. Now they fool on herself. Go just use and raise that money, go give her husband, make her husband take buy house for UK. If una like, una say, wetin I dey talk not get meaning, na sabi, but I don't talk my own. Now they fool on herself. Now go assist una family. Una brothers they join cultists now out of frustration because now neglect them. Una sisters they do house girl, they do different things because now abandon them. Now mothers, now fathers they go genocide office they go back because now neglect them. So more get sense. More get sense. For John Osage, if they try well, if they assist now, they say where you for the work now, there you eat. Maybe you give €100, use €20 for people who wanna say more now way may help. You use €80 for yourself. Fine, but at least you do at all. So people, if you send the message, they do this, they want to do the chop the money. They not go do anything you say make them do, but at least thing they do that is John Osage. So Monica they use any situation till they take money for social media. Take it or leave it. I love Monica so much. She's a businesswoman. She's an intelligent woman. That is Monica. Shine your shine. If you not say she na dirty person, she go come out. Make una give me money, me I take shine, no me I for not dey dirty. She go they use now they build herself. She no care. She's an intelligent woman, the most intelligent woman on social media. That is Monica, as female. So if you not like, when I go they put €10, put €2, put €3, put €4, they put money for drum where it don't full. Now no, government say me she can't pay 30,000. Hey, I want your sister, you they fool you where they go donate, you where they cry for you they fool yourself because Monica go house, she'll go they laugh on her. If na 10,000, na fit donate to her and she'll give her husband take buy house for UK. She'll relocate with her children, go UK. She'll show na that house where her husband buy with una money. She'll use na take shine if na not take time. Nah, where they fool on herself. Una way no know the reason why una come Europe. Una way some of una way they use bless where you abandon her family for house. Some of una is the one na take off una family na go dey born, they make problem up and down. They bonbon. Huh? Those are where they go donate. Now maybe some of them get 4 children for 4 fathers. They don't send all those men where they don't they collect money. They don't know what they want to use their money do again. Their parents they not help them. Their brothers they not help. They send money. Who they want need their help. Now they follow from one page to another. Who they need help now go they help. One now home family they go beg John Osage for assistance. Shame on you people. Shame on you, some of you now. Shame on you. Shame on some of you now. People, person where they go beg genocide, the family where they go now, family won't our body won't no help. My family no fit go beg genocide. If I no help them, they will fit go beg genocide. You understand? They say if masquerade no dance for us to know how you go take throw leg, you no go dance for junction. You go first start to the dance for us, practice am. Dey strong for ground, then you go dey jump. In case the police dey pursue us, you go know how you go take run. Because you don't practice am for us. Now they fool una sef. Monica, give your hand. You are a smart woman. If they see your teeth brown, you go say make them bring money, make you take go fix that teeth. Since they no want get sense. I too like Monica, eh? I too like her. Any opportunity she dey use and make money. She dey use am. The best female businesswoman on social media, that is Monica. While the best male businessman on social media is John Osagi. That one, oh, I go leave am for another day. Monica, anyone wey be school dropout wey no wan get sense, use am. As you put your account, no comot am o, make dem dey put am. As you dey come out every morning, they go work your 3 hours, come back, come sit down. They collect their salary, they collect children money, they pay your house rent, join now. You dey cry up and down for social media, they put money. Use this opportunity, take collect money. Since they no want grow, as me dey so, I can't give it €2 or €5. Not possible. Because me and you understand the system of Europe. So na so I want to talk and reach you. What I talk no make sense. I better not collect small way it makes sense for inside. You understand? So if God touch your heart, you feel comment. If God touch your heart again, you share. Okay? God bless you all. Stay blessed. Send money for your family for this Christmas. So no abandon them. They tell your children say the father not die, still there alive. If God touch your heart, invite the father, make he come take care of the children. And for this Christmas, as you dey chop the money alone, remember say this single mother they chop her alone, you go die alone. If you die alone, government go collect the children. Since he said the man dey useless, the children go lost. They get sense. They get sense. Imagine you say you get 4 children, 5 children, 3 children. The man, you tell children say don't die. The man, you tell children say don't run away. You tell government say he abandon you. Tell government say na useless man. But you don't know say God they watch you. You don't know how long you want to stay for this earth. See peradventure you can't die tomorrow. Government go carry the children. Children go come lost. Who they fool himself? Who they fool herself? Now you. Madam, now you. You dey fool yourself. You die tomorrow, now the children supposed go with the man. Can't go Africa, can't go nowhere he or she come from. But because of your stinginess, greediness, foolishness, you put the man away, you die. The government collect the children turn to Kokobiri children. Turn to government children. Children don't lost. They don't know their route again. Why? You wait, they go put money for Monica account. Monica, they laugh you for corner. Why? Was you? Was you? Monica, they laugh you for corner. If you collect 10,000 for her head, collect 15,000 for her head. Go say, Papa J boy, come take all these foolish people money. May they go buy house. Because for UK, if you feel get 30,000, 20,000 cash, they go sell house for you. You know, you get your mortgage. Since Monica, 700 away they collect enough fee use and raise money. Oga Rastaman, may God bless him. You see the money they raise small money. But that way no one forgive. Go do bad thing for corner. Opportunity for Monica to use and raise money be this. Go use and I'll give you my hand, Monica. The best businesswoman on Facebook. Monica, big my wife, alias shine your shine. Use them. Anyone where no one gets sense, use them. Thank you very much. God bless you. I call me peace. Bye.